Imagine this, a vehicle that not only turns heads with its sleek design but also provides an unmatched driving experience. Welcome to the 2024 Aston Martin Valkyrie. Valkyrie's otherworldly performance comes from the 6.5-liter V12 engine developed with Cosworth. Not what you'd call a traditional hybrid. This V12 is torque-enhanced during takeoff and uses the electric motor for a power boost. Any faster and it would fly. Overview. The Aston Martin Valkyrie hypercar returns for 2024 virtually unchanged, which means every ounce of its technical wizardry, carbon fiber construction and F1-inspired design. It was engineered by the brilliant race car designer Adrian Newey, remains in all its unadulterated glory. Specifically, we're talking about an 1139 horsepower V12 hybrid powertrain wrapped in a race-ready aerodynamic shape suitable for an IMSA GTP protype. Aston Martin developed the Valkyrie's otherworldly capabilities with the support of an impressive list of collaborators, including Rimac and racing suppliers Cosworth, Multimatic, and Michelin, each contributing its specific field of expertise to the effort. More than just an artistic statement, the exterior design is said to be capable of producing a claimed 2,400 pounds of downforce at speeds of 135 miles per hour and up handy, considering the top speed is an electronically limited 220 miles per hour. The vaunted 60 miles per hour sprint is completed in a claimed 2.5 seconds, but that number doesn't remotely convey the pure ferocity of this car. The Valkyrie represents a purity of intent and vision that's exceedingly rare in this day and age, and for those with the means, it's one of the most exclusive and exhilarating vehicles currently available. What's new for 2024? The 2024 Valkyrie sees no significant changes. The Valkyrie Spider arrived for 2023 featuring a fully removable roof and slightly lower top speeds of 217 miles per hour with the roof in place and 205 miles per hour with it removed. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Aston Martin Valkyrie is expected to start around $3,500,000 and go up to $4 million depending on the trim and options. The Valkyrie is sold in the US under the NHTSA's show and display exemption, which limits owners to 2,500 miles of operation per year. This likely has little effect on any well-heeled stateside buyer determined to own one. For the record, Aston undertook the costly and time-consuming task of certifying it for street use in other countries. Very few examples will be offered here, all of them in a single trim level loaded with one-of-a-kind touches designed to keep a hypercar buyer satisfied. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Valkyrie and Valkyrie Spider share 1139 horsepower, consisting of a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 and an electric motor mated with a 7-speed automatic transmission. The V12 is plenty robust on its own, producing a claimed 1,001 horsepower. The additional thrust comes from a battery electric system designed by Rimac and integral powertrain. Acceleration is breathtaking, and we estimate that the Valkyrie can hit 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.3 seconds. The Valkyrie AMR Pro is a track-only version. It features the same powertrain, but the V12's calibration has been tweaked to boost output even higher. The Pro has a lighter curb weight than the road car and rolls on racing slicks, and Aston claims that it's capable of generating more than its own weight in downforce. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel economy estimates for the Aston Martin Valkyrie haven't been revealed and likely never will be, since the car has not been homologated for on-road use in the United States. Through corners, yes, more on that in the driving section. In a straight line, absolutely not. The Cosworth V12 is the best single thing about the car. Yes, it's a pest when you're idling about, but really this is a car designed for the track. A track with high noise limits ideally. As the revs climb past 3,500, the beast awakens. The sound changes pitch and tone, gaining focus and clarity. And then it just shrieks. The sound is Jurassic. Or 1990s Le Mans, you choose. Best sample from the pit lane, in all honesty. Inside, weightless acceleration and barely any need to deploy the ERS button for a 143 horsepower boost. Interior comfort and cargo. The Aston Martin Valkyrie takes its F1 DNA to heart. Driver and passenger both sit in a reclined feet-up position, and there's little room for anything else. Indeed, the wing doors of the teardrop-shaped cockpit close tightly around you, and passengers prone to claustrophobia, even petite ones, may feel confined. It's noisy too, so much so that ear protection is recommended. The Valkyrie's performance dictates compromise, chiefly a super snug cabin without a rear window. A trio of cameras feed video to screens in the cabin to provide the view of what's behind. Thankfully, there's a spider version that provides some relief from the confining cockpit in the form of removable roof panel. Critical data is displayed on a single OLED display screen, and all the car's switchgear is placed on the steering wheel, F1 style, which is detachable to ease ingress and egress. A 4-point harness is standard, but a 6-point harness is available for track rats, and both are offered in a choice of 6 bold hues. There's a wide range of colors, patterns, and finishes for the upholstery, and the switches are offered in anodized silver, black, or red. Safety and driver assistance features. For more information about the Valkyrie's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IHS) websites. Key safety features include standard backup camera, warranty and maintenance coverage. Aston Martin's limited and powertrain warranty coverage is identical to the protection offered Lamborghini, a chief rival. Limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. A tiny teardrop carbon passenger cell that all-new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated 65-degree V12 hard mounted to it, and out back a clever gearbox integrating an electric motor that draws power from a 1.8 kWh battery pack supplied by Rimac. The powertrain is a stressed member with the suspension hanging off it, saving weight and allowing Aston to originally claim a 1:1 power-to-weight ratio. That slipped. The V12 and E-motor still deliver a combined 1,139 BEP, but weight has risen in the face of regulation, legislation, and rumored cost-cutting. It's now 1,270 kilograms before fluids are added, but still 1,160 horsepower. Downforce is the talking point, 1,000 kilograms of it, delivered surreptitiously by using the undersurfaces more than the top sides. The Venturi tunnels are something to behold. The whole car seems to float above the road, perforated by empty spaces. From some angles, you can see straight through it. Firstly, we need to celebrate the fact that the Aston Martin Valkyrie has made it into production. For a long time, that wasn't a given. Secondly, what a piece of design. A skill with which the yin and yang of design and engineering have been blended into a compact hypercar that's lower than a Ford GT40 is remarkable. It's a fascinating car to pore over. Yes, there are issues, and likely they all come down to not having the budget for further development. But the truism of the rarefied hypercar sector is that the more expensive the car, the less money there is to make it happen.